Hello, today we will guide you through how to export data from Qualtrics to SPSS. If you need to analyze your survey responses in SPSS, Qualtrics makes the export process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll move from your survey workspace to the Data Export menu, choose the SPSS format, and download the file so it's ready for use. To begin, open your survey in Qualtrics and make sure you're on the Edit Survey page. This is the main survey building view, and it's a good starting point because it gives you quick access to the rest of the project areas. If your survey is already open, you're ready to continue. From the top of the screen, click on Data and Analysis. This section is where Qualtrics stores and manages your survey responses. While the Edit Survey area is mainly for building and adjusting questions, Data and Analysis is the place you'll use when you want to review, organize, or export collected data. Once you're in Data and Analysis, look for the Export and Import option and click it. This menu contains tools for moving data in and out of Qualtrics. Since the goal here is to create a file for use in SPSS, this is the menu you'll need. Next, click on Export Data. This opens the export settings where Qualtrics lets you choose the file type you want to download. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct format for your analysis software, especially if you work with multiple platforms. When the list of export options appears, click on SPSS. This tells Qualtrics to prepare your survey data in a format designed for SPSS, which can save time later and help preserve useful variable information for analysis. Choosing the correct format at this step is important because it reduces the need for extra conversion after download. Finally, click Download. Qualtrics will generate the export file and begin downloading it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go directly to your Downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. If you're working with several exports, it can be helpful to save the file in a clearly labeled project folder so it's easy to find later. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Qualtrics data to SPSS. Once the download is complete, you can open the file in SPSS and continue with cleaning, coding, or statistical analysis as needed.